In this video, I'm going to show you how to start with a very simple card and then step it up with extra layers, techniques, details, so that you can create your own stamping journey no matter where you are in that journey. I'm 𝐅𝐮𝐿, the BZB stamper, and let's get started. Today, we are using the Phrases and Frames stamp set with the beautiful Scenic Coast specialty paper. Now, the reason this is a specialty paper is it's got almost like a coating over it so that part of the image on the paper just really looks real. I don't even know how to explain what I mean. I'll try to show you when I show you the first card. And then also this Phrases and Frames stamp set, there are dies with it. I only have the stamp set and I love them. They have so many great phrases in this stamp set. So let me show you the paper. I'm going to hold it up and look at this portion right in here. Okay. So I'm going to hold it up and see, can you see that? How it just looks so real, like the sun is actually shining down on the water. How gorgeous is that? It's so pretty. And so because of that, for these cards, the paper is actually the focal point. What I did was I used a matte. I'm going to show you the back side so you can see how pretty this color is. This is Timid Tiger. It's an in color. And then I just used almost a full mat of the paper. I do have complete instructions for you on how to make these cards. So I just kept it, like I said, very simple. And then I took a piece of peach pie, which is retiring. So if you were watching this in, let's say, May of 2026, you're going to want to grab some of this peach pie cardstock because it is going away. If it's already sold out by the time that you watch this video, then just go ahead and use white. It'll still look good, or even maybe vanilla. You could even use Lemon Lolly because there's very light yellow in here. So there's some choices you have. So very simple card for this Busy Bee card when you need a card in a hurry. So let's look now at the Worker Bee card. This is if you want to put just a little bit more work in your card. Again, you can see that I'm keeping this paper as a focal point. So I'm not really changing anything about it. I'm using a longer strip for the happiest birthday wishes. I just love how the font works with this sentiment. Again, I'm using peach pie. And then in the back, I am using our new rounded rectangle punch. So very simple. Again, just black ink for the sentiment. Same here on the Busy Bee card. But you can see that just by adding that punch behind our sentiment strip and then using scissors to cut banner notches in it, it just takes it up one more step. And then to add to this, I added here and here some of the absolutely gorgeous 2026, 2028 in color dots. Just add just a little bit of shimmer to go with the shimmer in the paper, okay? Now, let's take this up to our final notch. And this is actually our Queen Bee card. This is normally the card that I say you probably want to be more of an experienced card maker. But in this case, you really don't, because this is in truth a very simple card. Now, these black silhouettes that are making it look like we see these up front and then the sunset is behind us, these are actually pre-die cut images from the Floral Flight Accents, and they're in black. And they were actually made to go with this paper to act as a silhouette. So all you do is punch them out and glue them down on your card. And when I say punch out, I mean use your thumbs. They're already die cut for you, so they're very easy to use. Now, I did use die cuts for this. This is once again our Timid Tiger and Peach Pie basic black ink just for our sentiment. But this die was done with the Nested Essentials, which is a die set that, in my opinion, is an essential die because you could cut out a lot of different types of images that will work for you. So there you go. Very, very simple card. I just love how it looks like the water's reflecting on the paper. So pretty. So there you go, my friends. We've got our Queen Bee card. We have got our Worker Bee card. And then to finish it up, we've got our Busy Bee card. And I have to say, I really prefer the Busy Bee card this week. I don't usually say that. I love easy, quick, and simple. So I make mostly Busy Bee cards, but usually the Worker Bee card has an element I really like. And I do like the way that the punch and just banner notching the edges take this up a step, let alone the in color dots. But I really think I like the Busy Bee this week, mainly because I think it really shows off this paper, which is the definite focal point of this card. Love the colors, love the timid tiger, even though I'm not a huge orange fan. I really do like how this card turned out. So thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed these cards and how easy it was to step them all up another layer. I'll be back next week with another Step It Up stamping. Have a great creative week, my friends. Bye.